One sip of this Zobo drink and you are hooked. Do you know Zobo has a lot of health benefits, from lowering blood pressure to reducing very high cholesterol, out of many other health benefits. Let's go into the process properly to achieve the perfect Zobo drink. So I'll be using dates to sweeten the Zobo. I won't be adding any sugar because when your Zobo is not overloaded with sugar, it is low in calories. So I'll be using fresh fruit for this Zobo. I'll be using pineapple, cucumber, and oranges. First off, I will start by picking out the dead from my Zobo leaf or hibiscus leaf. So because this leaf comes with a lot of dead stones on it. As you can see, I picked a lot of stones from this leaf, a whole lot. So after I'm done picking the stones, I'm going to go ahead and use a sieve to sieve it because there's also a lot of sand on this Zobo leaf. So I'll use a sieve to sieve it and you'll see what will come out of it. I'm done sieving, so I'll go straight ahead to start washing. So I'm going to give this a thorough wash. And I heard some people don't wash their Zobo leaf, that is going to affect the color. Oh, please wash your Zobo leaf because this thing carries a lot of dirt. So please wash your Zobo leaf thoroughly. After washing my Zobo thoroughly, I'm going to go straight ahead to start washing all the fruits I will use for this Zobo. After washing the fruit, I'll go ahead to soak my dates I'll be using to sweeten the Zobo. So I'm going to soak this for about 4 to 5 hours. You can soak yours overnight if you have the time. So I'll go straight ahead to start prepping the fruits that I will put inside the Zobo. So I'll first of all peel my pineapple. I'll be using both the back of the pineapple and the inside of the pineapple, and my cucumber and oranges. I'm done prepping the fruit, so I'm going to go in with my hibiscus leaf into a pot with a lot of water, and I'll add the back of my pineapple, some oranges, cinnamon stick, cloves, ginger, and cucumber, and I'll cover this and allow this to boil for about 30 to 40 minutes. Then I'll go straight ahead to blend my oranges, pineapple, the inside of the pineapple, some ginger, and cucumber. After blending the fruit, I'm going to sieve it. So I'm going to sieve it to extract the juice from it because I'll be needing only the juice and I don't need the shaft. Next, I'll go ahead to start blending my date. Remember, I soaked it for about 4 hours and it is very soft now, so I just took out the seed. So I'm going to be blending this into a paste. I'll go straight ahead to check on the Zobo we have on fire because this is about 35 minutes later and it is boiling and it is ready. So I'll go next to start sieving. So I'm going to be sieving the Zobo for about 3 times. this is what we have. So I've sieved this for about 2 times, so I'll be sieving for 1 more time. So before I sieve, I'm going to add my juice and I'm going to add my dates into it, and then I'll be sieving for the final round. So remember, we didn't add any sugar to this Zobo, so I'm going to be using this pineapple flavor to elevate the taste of the Zobo. So I added it, and look at what we have. So I'm going to be packing the Zobo because I'm going to store it in the freezer. So storing your Zobo in the freezer makes it last longer and fresh. So guys, if you've watched up to this point, please kindly click the subscribe button. Subscription is totally free, guys. Please like, comment, and share. So I couldn't wait for my Zobo to get cold, so I just added ice in the one I want to drink, and I went ahead to taste the Zobo. The Zobo was absolutely nice. It was so rich and nice. Thank you so much for watching.